According to Maasai, they can't cut down the trees, which is very important for people to live. Without trees, no life, especially for people. Because we have already seen that to have trees is not only a beautiful, to have a forest is only a beauty, but also we see it is a symbol of life. So it can help, because Maasai people, they can't cut trees down. It is a taboo to them to do that, according to the traditional knowledge. So to me, it is good to continue to register that in every generation, to keep that belief, so that trees not to cut according to that. Because what they believe that when you cut trees, you lost your cattle, especially when you are doing charcoal burnings, you lost your domestic animals. Finally, the same to bush meat, maybe hunting. They believe that if you do hunting, you can't be able to have cattle or let us say domestic animals.